Guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox the TWS Pro 6S. Let's go. Hey guys, how are you? This is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here a very affordable earphone. This is the TWS 6S Pro. So you can get this one guys for around $4, or that's around 220 pesos. Yes guys, you're right. Yes, that's 220 pesos. So it's a very affordable guys. So it's a perfect present, especially this gift giving season. So without further ado guys, let's open this one. So as you can see guys, here is the box, and at the back so we have here just the information. Okay, let's open this one, and upon opening you will be greeted with this familiar look. Okay, and we have here the charger, so that's a lightning cable, and then voila guys, here is our TWS 6S Pro. So let's take this one out. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's really nice. Okay, look at that. And upon opening, so you have this kind of earphones. So this is a perfect present guys, especially to your kids. Okay, so I will be testing this one out guys, and I will be right back. Hey guys, we are back, and I actually tested this one with my Android phone, and actually it connected easily, and also with my iPhone. And what's another surprising thing about this small earphones is that it really has a superb quality. I'm not joking guys. Yes, for just $4 you can already get a decent earphones with a very affordable price for only $4. Yes guys, this is really a perfect gift for your loved ones, and if you don't want to really spend lots of money on device. Yes guys, so yeah, I will be testing this one for a couple of weeks, and I will let you know more about the performance. But initially, this baby here, it's really doing its job, and with a reasonable price. So guys, if you're interested to view or to check this product out, I'll put the link in the description box. Okay guys, so once again, this has been Josh, and I will see you on our next video.